right? This is in Schaumburg. Oh, I like that lantern. It used to be Otis. I like that, how the top part lights up. Oh, it's got these lanterns on every floor. That one doesn't work. We'll go to 2, because I'm curious what a intermediate floor looks like with those door lanterns. Basic innovation mod, sadly. $1701 Woodfield Road. I don't like that it has this blue part on it. That just makes it hard to read. Oops. Forgot to hit 2. Let's see what this one looks like. Does only like half of it light up or something? Who knows? Doesn't seem to work anymore, sadly. Anyway, that's it.